Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for your eBay business. First, connect your eBay account directly to QuickBooks. This automatically imports your sales and fees, saving you time. Next, set up clear income and expense categories. This helps you understand where your money is going. Finally, consider using a dedicated bank account for all eBay transactions. This makes reconciling your books much easier each month. Once connected, regularly review your imported eBay transactions. Ensure each sale and fee is assigned to the correct category. Don't forget to record all your business expenses, like shipping costs, packaging supplies, and any advertising fees. QuickBooks makes it simple to track these. Utilize the reporting features to see your gross sales and understand your net profit, giving you a clear financial picture. Managing inventory is crucial for an eBay business. Input your product inventory into QuickBooks, making sure to include the cost of goods sold for each item. After every sale, update your inventory levels to keep your stock counts precise. This prevents overselling and helps with planning. Use QuickBooks inventory reports to see which items are selling well and when it's time to reorder, optimizing your purchasing decisions. Finally, QuickBooks simplifies reporting and tax preparation. Generate regular profit and loss statements to understand your business's financial health. Use the sales tax reports to accurately file your state sales tax returns, ensuring compliance. When tax season arrives, QuickBooks helps you prepare essential documents, such as a Form 1099-K, by providing all the necessary data, making tax time much less stressful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.